Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today on my YouTube channel, I'll be showing you how you can make a GIF using PowerPoint. I'll be showing you how you can make a GIF by using Microsoft PowerPoint. So guys, just follow along so that you can learn how you can make a GIF just by using Microsoft PowerPoint. So now I am my PC, my laptop. So what now I'll do is to launch my PowerPoint app. PowerPoint. I'm using the latest version of PowerPoint. That is PowerPoint. That is Microsoft 365. But let's say you're using the old version, you can still follow along. So now I'll click on my blank presentation. Now that it has open, what I'll do is to go to my layout. I'll make that blank. It's not like I've made that blank. I'll just start. Let's say the GIF is just a simple GIF, my name. I'll go to insert right here so that I can search a text box, and in the text box I write my name. I'll go and search the text box, and what I will type is something like I will insert another text box right here. I'll type I. Go insert another text box. I'm typing my name, Michael. I'll type C. Insert another text box. Then insert the last one, and I'll type L. It's not that I've done this. What now I'll do is that I'll start dragging the text box and carry this. Let me put this here. Let me stick to a size of 130 for each alphabet. 130. I'll click and enter. Now I'll drag this to somewhere here. Then at the I, I'll do the same for that. I have to light that. It's pretty small. Now say I'm going for 130. Yeah, that's great. I will enlarge that and bring it and just drag it to meet the M. Now for the C, I'll do the same, and I'll just keep repeating this. So guys, now I'm done, and I can see my name, Michael, Michael. So now what I'll do, I mean the capital letter. So now what I'll do is that for each of these, I will add an animation to each alphabet so that I can make our GIF. So now for this one, I'll go right here to animation, and I can see pretty cool animations. I can add that. Then for the eye, I can come right here, I can add bounce. Then for this, I can align this, come right here, and then as to get more cool animations, I'll come to more entrance effects, and I can see cool animations. I can drag this so I can see my preview. So I can see the preview of what I'm doing. On pinwheel, let's see that. Wow, but it's wasting too much time. So I'll go for a shorter one. Flip. That is okay. Go to my slideshow and preview that from beginning. So now I'll press my enter key so that each can come. Now that is it. And what now I'll do is to rehearse the timing. Under slideshow, I'll come to rehearse timing. So that the computer will know each time the second will come. So now each time I want it to come, I'll just press my enter key so that I'll know each time it will come. I'll press my enter key to know each time it will come. And now I'll just press my enter key. So now it's asking me if I want to save this time for the slideshow, and that is 20. Then that is, and I click on yes. Yeah, that's 20 seconds. So I can preview that from beginning, and then I don't have to press my enter key for it to come. It will just come by itself since I've realized the timing. I wasted a little time here because I was talking, so now it's gonna waste a little time. And now it should just come like that. MIC H A E L. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. So now that's the instruction. So now what I'll do is going to file. I will save as, and I will browse this. I'll browse I'll browse it on to save it as. I'll save it as a video, so that I'll come right here and save it as a video. So I'll click on that and I'll save it as video to GIF, and I'll save it under my desktop so that I can locate that easily. Let's find I'll save that. As soon as I'll save that, you should just load here. Just creating it here. Then this has to load to the end then. So now this is done. I can minimize this, and now this video is this video. So now what I'll do is to convert it to a GIF. To do that, I'll come right here. I'll open my browser, video to GIF, and click on enter. This is it, and I can see this one, fgif.com, something like that, but I can't pronounce it. fgif.com. So now I clicked on that, and now this is coming up pretty nice. And now what I'll do is that I'll come right here and choose the file that I want it to convert for me. Now pick the file, and now what I'll do is that the file is located on my desktop, and I named it video to GIF. So now it should be down, video to GIF, and I'll click on that and click on open. I'll click right here, upload video. And now this is it. So now I can play that. So now I can see that it's my name just coming in. Pretty cool, right? Now that's it. So now what I'll do is to click right here, convert to GIF. And now right down to convert it to GIF. So now this is a GIF. It just keeps repeating. The GIF doesn't stop. It just keeps repeating. So now click on save right here. But you see, pretty cool effect. You can set the speed you want. You can crop it. You can rotate. So nice, and you can do that. So now saving it. Now click on that. Now click on open. Wow, my GIF is opening. So guys, this is a GIF. Can see it right here. My name just keep coming in. And the GIFs never stop. My name will still coming again. The GIF doesn't stop. I just keep coming in. C H A E L. Then it keeps coming in again. Just like that. MICHAEL. So now it should keep coming in. And now what it did was it launched it with my Photos app on my desktop. So now, alright, I think guys have seen the way you can convert a video to a GIF, and the way you can make a GIF just by using PowerPoint and some converting apps online. So guys, thanks for watching. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't enjoy that video on the way you can make a GIF by using Microsoft PowerPoint. So what I did was that I used Microsoft PowerPoint. After using Microsoft PowerPoint, I went online and searched for convert video to GIF, and now I just converted the video to GIF, and it's what I did. I I wrote my name, which is Michael, and then it has a pretty cool animations. So right, so you can do yours. I trust you. So now, thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe so that you get notified anytime I put any content just like this one. Guys, please subscribe. Subscription on this channel is free. I don't know about other channels, but this channel subscription is free. Please, guys, subscribe. Bye, and hope to see you next time.